Hello everyone, so welcome in my channel. And in this channel I'm going to share about my life, my educational life especially, or we can say my professional life. And in this video I'm going to share about my BTech journey in computer science. I will share every ups and down which I have went through while my college time, or I can say I will share all the roadmap for my every subject in my college time, by which I cover up that hard subject of engineering, especially of computer science engineering, right? So yeah, let's continue with first semester. So yeah, let's discuss about the first semester. So don't go on my writing, please. uh, so I had five subject in my first semester, and that was not related to computer science. It was just very basic subject to understand the non-medical concept. First was chemistry. Yeah, it was chemistry, and it was a very means we can say great experience in college time with chemistry, because I never understand chemistry like that. Okay, and then coming to my second subject, that was calculus and linear algebra, means matrices and all. And it was very basic math, which I think every non-medical student have studied in their secondary school. So there was nothing very big task to crack the subject. And third was basic electrical engineering. It was again very easy. We can say it is easy for the CBSE student in the non-medical, but if someone is from the state board, then I can say that it is somehow little hard for them, but not for the CBSE, because the all the concept in basic electrical engineering every CBSE student have covered up in their secondary education. Now coming to the fourth subject in which we have studied, actually that was a workshop subject, means in this subject I have to visit like workshop and do some practical work related to the electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, even civil engineering, and no, nothing related to the computer science. It was just these three field. Okay, and then fifth subject was English. Again, English was not like that we have to study technical English. There was nothing like that. We have to study just basic English. And there was not a big deal to crack the subject. But in our first semester we really did a very hard work, because that was a means like first time of our college. So we were very sincere about our subject, that we think maybe we will face some hard question in the exam. So that's why we just study every basic thing about the subjects. And my percentage, not percentage, but SGPA in my first semester was 8.30, and it was nice result according to my hard work. And now my second semester. So again I was having I think sorry second semester. So again I was having five subject in my second semester, and that was I think probability and statics, and probability and statics. And second was I think principle. Yeah, principle for programming language. No, it was my I think third or fourth semester. Actually the subject was programming for problem solving. Yeah, it was programming for problem solving, means we were doing just programming for the task which can relate to problem solving thing. Okay, so it was that problem. I think it is hard to understand from my screen, but you can understand from my vocal. So the third subject was semiconductor physics. It was again a little hard, but not that much hard for CBSE student, because they have covered up almost all the topic in their 12th. And then fourth was EGD. I really don't like this subject, because this subject was related to civil, and it means engineering, graphic and design, and I was very weak in this subject. And fifth was biology. I know it is annoying as being a student of non-medical, and we are studying biology in our college time, but we have to study because it's a rule of college tradition. And fortunately I also got 9.60 in my second sem. And now third sem. So I think I was having little more subject as compared to second sem. The first subject was DSA, a basic subject for computer science, data structure and algorithm. And as being a beginner, I got 24 credits out of 30 credit in my this semester, and I think it was a very great score as a beginner in DSA. And then second subject was object oriented programming. Yeah, it was object oriented programming. Again, we can say that for a beginner somehow it is hard to understand the object programming, but after understanding the basic concept like polymorphism, encapsulation, object classes, it get easy to understand this subject. Now the third was, I think that was a third math. In this I think we had integration, differentiation and Fourier series something. And the fourth subject was DE. It was again means very bad subject because it is related to electrical engineering, and we really don't have any need of this subject as being a computer science student, but we have to study in our college time for once if we want to crack our gate. Okay, so it's totally up to the student in which means what is their future scope. If you are having future scope related to your gate, then you have to done it with your means passion. Okay, now fifth subject was, I think, principles of programming language. Yeah, it was. And before starting any programming language, it is important to done this subject, because by covering up this subject we can understand that what we are going to study in the programming language. For example, somehow this principle of programming language subject tells us about the structure of any programming language. That firstly we will learn about variable, then we will learn about data type, and then loops, and somehow this means this is very important to study before starting any programming language. Okay, so I think it is must to learn this subject first and then go to any other programming language. And I also had one more subject, and I think that was business. Yeah, it was business intelligence, and I think entrepreneurship. Yeah, means it is not additional subject, but we have to study as our extra skill. So it is must to study in the third semester, but it totally up to your college that which extra subject that they want you guys to study. And my percentage in my third semester was, means STPA, it was 8.63. It was nice according to the subject. So now coming to the fourth semester. And now my fourth semester, actually this semester was little hard, but fortunately I got good SGPA and it was 9.14. So the subject was, first subject was discrete mathematics. As you know that this subject is little hard for math student also. So I just faced difficulty in this subject. And then second subject was internet tech and management. Yeah, it was internet uh, technology and management. It was somehow not that much hard subject, but it was easy subject according to their syllabus. So the third subject was operating system. This subject is my favorite. Means I think for every computer science student must have to study this subject for, means they're with their full of passion, because we have to understand it as being a computer science student, that what's the fundamentals of operating system. Okay, and then fourth subject was the design and analysis of algorithm. Yeah, of algorithm. It is must to understand the algorithm pattern of computer science, so it is for that purpose to understand the algorithm things. And now the last subject was, yeah, it was again extra subject for our extra skill, and that was organizational behavior. It is not like something optional subject, it is extra subject, but it is must subject. And again it is totally up to your college or university. that which subject they want you guys to study. Means they can add the subject according to the option their head university give to your college. Okay, so it was all about the fourth semester subject, and don't worry, I will share all the syllabus and all the thing roadmap for the subject in my next video. And I will also make a part 2 video for 5th 6th 7th 8th semester, but I think video can get too long with all the subject with all the semester in this video. So we will stop here with our fourth semester, and very soon we will come up with the subject name of other semester and also with the syllabus. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to follow my playlist that I have already uploaded on another concept. Okay,